Hey HoverCam users! I wanted to show you real quick how I use my HoverCam for distance learning. My webcam does a great job at showing my face while I'm teaching a live lesson or recording a lesson to send out later, but it's not necessarily the best at showing all the content I'm trying to teach. That's where my HoverCam comes in. It's much more versatile than my webcam, and it works with Zoom, Skype, Google Hangouts, and many other popular video conferencing programs. I just had to plug the HoverCam into my computer using the included USB cable and select it as the input camera. I can now easily show my students all the content I'm trying to teach without the hassle of fitting it in my webcam's frame. And let me tell you, the image clarity is much better than my webcam's. Text appears crystal clear so I can show documents, books, papers, and live demonstrations of solving math problems, drawing economic graphs, diagramming sentences, and so much more. The built-in autofocus button zaps the image into focus and will always work to keep the image sharp. Tired of the camera continuously refocusing? The autofocus lock button will lock on to the best focal point and stay there until autofocus is pressed again. The HoverCam captures a wide field of view, so I can show entire papers and can zoom in to make the tiniest details appear huge and sharp for my whole class to see. But guess what? HoverCam's made their document camera software free for everyone, so after downloading it from hovercam.com, I found a simple trick that really opened up the possibilities of what I can do with it. See, most web conferencing apps have a screen sharing feature, and you can activate this to show HoverCam software to add some cool capabilities. But before opening up HoverCam software, make sure your web conferencing software is not using it as the input camera. Okay, with HoverCam software running, we can turn on picture-in-picture mode, which uses my webcam's image to show my face, while my HoverCam shows everything else. Now my students stay engaged, thanks to a perfect view of the content I'm trying to teach and my face. The built-in annotation tool lets me use my mouse or touchscreen to annotate on top of the live camera image. I can also input text or create shapes. Miss using your whiteboard? HoverCam also has a standalone whiteboard app where you can drop in images from your DotCam or use it as a blank canvas. And did I mention recording? HoverCam software doesn't just limit me to live collaboration. It also allows me to easily record lessons at the touch of a button. And with Slingshot, I can drag any snapshots or recordings to the program of my choice and easily share them with my class. Thanks to my little HoverCam, I turned remote teaching from a hassle to a breeze. Hopefully you learned something new.